Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again, that is Talk to Invest. I hope so you make great money in the previous week also day before previous week, and this is a weekly video to give a overall scenario if I miss Monday in the coming day, so you can understand where the market direction will go and you can start with fresh week. And if you have profits or losses, you don't need to overcome in this week. You need to work on yourself and you can learn from your profits and also your losses. So अगर आपको कोई भी लॉस और प्रॉफिट हुआ, अब आपको उसको पीछे छोड़ के अपना एक ये नया वीक स्टार्ट करना है. यू नीड टू फॉरगेट ऑल द लॉसेस एंड द प्रॉफिट फॉर द प्रीवियस वीक, and you need to start with the good mindset where the market direction will go. I am starting right now and this is the Nifty chart in front of you. So ये निफ्टी का चार्ट है आपके सामने, आप देख सकते हैं. As you see, this is a Nifty daily chart, and right now market is taking a support of 8800, and likewise market is going upside. So what is the scenario for the next week, where the market movement will go and where the market will come upside? So this will we need to find out today itself, and I am going to tell you what is the next level for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and also some stocks that is really important in the market. So without wasting any time, we start. So this is the Nifty chart as I said. So if you see, this is the resistance that market can take at 65,811, and if this level crosses, as it is tested 2-3 times, there is higher possibility that it is crossed today or the tomorrow itself. If market cross this level, that is 9600, at this level we can see a huge momentum in upper side and we can first fill this gap. If you see, there is a gap in between, so we can fill this gap and we can see this level, that is 9600 or 9900, the candle low. So what is the candle low? I need to find out. That is 9730. So we can see 9730 for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. If market sustains and give a closing of above 9130, अगर मार्केट एक दिन की क्लोजिंग है, एक दो दिन से ज़्यादा क्लोजिंग दे देती 9130 की, we can see higher levels in upper side, and the next level what the market gets, that is 99 and 10,200 or 300. So why everyone is saying that 10,000 or 200? If I move to the weekly chart of the Nifty, as you see, there is a we get a resistance of 10,300 here. So there is a 200 DMA at this level. As you see, this is the weekly chart. The market goes down to 7,100 and then it bounces up to this level, where I again draw for you. It goes up to this level, that is 9900, and when Modi launched 2 lakh package, again the market comes in and we see a bullish engulfing candle, and we cover all the three candles, half all three candles in that in a single green candle of this week. So what is the next possibility? That market breaks upper level 9900 and we can go to 10,000 level. So there are 100% chances that market can break this level in upcoming week and we make a bullish engulfing, and we can come to this level, that is 9922 or 9930 level in the upper side, and that's the market. What the market will get the resistance, the market will get the resistance of 10,300, 10,350 or 250. This is the 200 EMA of uh, Nifty on weekly chart. Therefore, this level helps market can stay in this level. If it crosses 92 or 10,000 level, we can see 10,250. So this is a broader picture for you what can happen in this market in upcoming week. So we can see 99, 9200 level. If we not go to above side 90 to 50 or 95, 80 level, we can. So we move again to the weekly daily chart. So if we sustain below this level in our upcoming days, so week the stop loss of his this 9320 because there is a high resistance and market breaks this level with good volume and sustains above, and this is the range we will get if market not goes above. And if market breaks and wants to go above side, as I said, there is a 100% chances that market can come up to this level, that is 10,200 or 300 in upcoming week. So this is the great level and this is a great opportunity that you can make. So we need to work with stop loss and with the proper risk management to make money from the stock market. So this is the broader view of Nifty. And if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe to my video to get some motivation to make new videos for you. I hope so my videos really helpful to you. So this is the Nifty chart in front of you. So we can, as I discussed on weekly, first we move on weekly chart. And if you see, this is the after that candle, we see a bullish engulfing here also at this level. From this level, that is 7200 level, we see a big bullish momentum in this week. And 4 days we crosses this level and sustains above. If you see, this is a line of 19213 which I discussed in the previous video. So what is the next level? We can see 20,000, 21,000 in the bank nifty as nifty reached to the 9900. So as I say, bank financial is really weak, but now there is condition in both sides. Like if you see, the bank nifty also makes a double bottom pattern here, and now the market, if crosses this level, that is 22, in the nifty, in the bank nifty, we can see this level, that is 25,000. Okay, and as I said, nifty can take, bank nifty also take resistance at 200 ma, 200 exponent moving average, because this is a great resistance and support. And right now market is under that because of coronavirus. We see a huge selling and we sustains below. So what is the scenario in this? We can see 22,000 in the downside only in this week. So we can see 22,000 for the upper side, and you can work if the market sustains 9200 level on the upper side. If the market reverses from here, what is the stop loss? So we move to the daily chart, and I move to the daily chart. If you see, we get a resistance of this that I said on the day 20,000. We can see 20,700 in the upper side if market wants to go, and we see a bullish candle on 2 3 days. If the market breaks this level, we can see that is 21,000 or 21,900 level in the upper side if we sustains above to the 22,000 level. So this is my overview, 2200 level, then we see 21,470 level in the upper side. This is my view for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So let I discuss also some stocks for you. So first stock is Vedanta. Vedanta is a good stock in the steel sector, and right now I'm going to the 1 hour chart. Right now it is taking a support of 1 on 200 EMA. So I will move to the 30-minute. Yeah, it's taking a support on 200 EMA, and it is taking a resistance of 90 to 60, and right now it is going to the upper side and it is making a new high here. And if you see, it almost breaks this level, and if it sustains to this level 9140, we can see huge momentum upside. What is the next level? We can see 99 or 9800 on the upper side level. So this is for the Vedanta. You can see these levels on the Vedanta in our upcoming week. So what is the next stock? Next stock is Glenmark Pharma. So this is a good stock, and this is I am showing 1 hour chart. Uh, First we go to the daily chart. So if you see, Glenmark Pharma is doing consolidation for many days, and right now it is making. If you see, it is moving a good consolidation of 15 to 20 days, and it is taking currently resistance of 360. So as I said in the previous week also, if it sustains above we can see a huge momentum of in this only Glenmark Pharma, because almost all pharma sector is performing, but Landmark Pharma is standing and doing consolidation. So we can get 50 to 60 points in the Landmark. And right now, if you see, this is the Aurobindo Pharma, and we are going to get a resistance of 745, and if it crosses the level of 746, we can see next level of 812 on the upper side. What is the next level? As I said, 812 on the upper side. So this is the Aurobindo Pharma. So we move on the Reliance chart. I also share on Twitter and also with my premium members. Those who said that the Reliance is making the head and shoulder pattern, it almost going to break it. And right now it is, if you see, it is breaking right shoulder here, and it is sustains above. So why it sustains above? It sustains above to move upside at 1600 level. And right now my view is that Reliance can go up to 1600 level or 1670 level. I discuss on my Telegram and also my Twitter account. If you want to join my Telegram, the link is description. And if you don't follow on my Twitter channel, you can follow also. I will discuss on live charts and share live charts and live updates on in their Twitter. And if you are new to this channel, you can like and subscribe and share to your friend also. So next talk I want to discuss is Mindtree. So right now market Mindtree is also taking a good support at this level, and if it breaks this level, we can see, if it breaks 920 level, we can see 930 level, and if it sustains below, and if it is a resistance, and there is higher possibility that in upcoming week we can see 930 or 950 level in the Mindtree itself. So one more stock of I want to share, that is Bajaj Finserv. I also shared this stock in the last week, and currently if you see, it breaks the support. As I said, if it takes the support and resistance become, if it the support breaks, we can say it becomes resistance. Right now it is taking a resistance of my level almost, that is 492, and if it sustains this level, I will tell you, if it sustains to this level, that is around 4300, we can see a bounce back, and it is retesting of this, and we can move to 4574 level. So if you like and subscribe to my channel, if you like my video, so I will meet you in my next video, and I will share my overall scenario what can market can do in this week, and also share my weekly view, and there is higher possibility that the market can go upper side. Okay, I will meet you in next video. Please be safe, stay at home, don't go outside. Okay, bye.